Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, then hi, my name is Payal. Consider joining my family by hitting that subscribe button. All it takes is 1 second and it means a lot to me. Now coming towards this video, in this video I'm going to talk about everything about my skincare regime. And this video is divided into 3 phases, that is what I like to do in day, what I like to do in night, and all the things which I like to do when it comes to my skin pampering. I will just put the segregation of the minutes and everywhere if you want to see any particular part. However, I would suggest to watch the whole video in order to know the secrets of a glowing skin. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Now before starting with the day care regime, I would like to talk about my skin type. My skin is a combination skin. My T-zone is extremely oily, whereas this area is acne prone skin. And moreover my skin is extremely sensitive. So I have to take a lot of care when it comes to skincare regime. We'll start with the products, like what I like to use in the morning. The very first thing after brushing my teeth obviously is using a cleanser. In the morning I like to shuffle between 3 face washes. These are the 3 ones. I have reviewed them in my channel. I'll put the links of all the videos in the description box. The very first one is True Derma face wash, meant for oily skin. The second one is Himalayan charcoal mask. It has a clay thing which I absolutely love and gives a very refreshing feeling to me. And the third one is a carrot wash, again from the brand The Body Shop. I love all these. The days I feel like my skin is extremely oily, I opt for this one, and the days I feel like my skin needs something which needs to take out that dirt and all, then I use a charcoal one. And the days I feel like my skin is getting dry because of peeling, then I opt for carrot wash. Now let's just talk about what I like to use after I'm done with face wash. I like to use an Astringent. I absolutely love this one from the brand Ayur, and the price of this one is 50 rupees only. I swear by this product, guys, and in case you are an oily skin person, I would suggest you to please go ahead and buy this. How I like to use this product, just dab a few drops on a cotton pad and just gently cleanse your face. So if there is anything, it will just remove it. By anything I mean oiliness. Now coming towards the second product, this one I have reviewed on my channel. I absolutely swear by, and it's almost over, and I'm just wondering where I'll get it, because it's lockdown obviously. This is L'Oreal Revitala Lift Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing and Radiance. The price of this one, I'll put it everything over here. So once I'm done with the Astringent, I like to take a few drops onto my palm and just dab it onto my face. That's how I like to use it, and like keep it over here and just keep it for a while. So that's how I like to do this. Now once I'm done with these things, I opt for a moisturizer. Now again, when it comes to moisturizers, I like to shuffle in between. There are 2 favorite of mine. One is Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion, and the other one is from Dr. Reddy's Venusia. This is moisturizing lotion. Now this one, they both are non-comedogenic. That's the best thing, and they both are fragrance free. That's the reason I love them a lot. And I just feel the day I'm feeling like okay, I'll opt for this. If I feel my skin is extremely dry due to peeling, I opt for this. If my skin is feeling normal, then I opt for this one. The price of this one, I'll put it over here, and this one is for 298 rupees. These are easily available at any chemist shop, so you can hop into that. Now coming towards the most crucial part of the day skincare is a sunscreen. I absolutely love this one presently, though I like to opt for the sunscreen which is SPF 50 plus onwards. The one I'm using is SPF 55, and this one is from the brand Photo Stable Gold. It is matte finish and sunscreen gel. That means it's great for oily and acne skin people, what I am, and it is non-comedogenic, hypoallergen, water and sweat resistant, had a broad spectrum of UVA and UVB, and dermatologically tested. Now I would like to tell you that I'm a person who opt for more medicated sunscreen rather than a normal brand sunscreen, because I have seen a result. So whenever I use a sunscreen from a normal brand like L'Oreal or Lotus or Garnier or anyone, I always burst into acne, and those sunscreen doesn't suit me, and it leaves some that white flashy thing onto your face which I don't like. Whereas this gets dissolved into your skin like within 30 seconds, and your skin is ready to go, and it actually lasts forever. So these are little expensive on pocket, I would say that. I'll just put the price over here, but trust me, they are worth every single penny. So in case you are facing an issue using a sunscreen, just opt for the ones which are much more medicated, you will see a difference. So once I'm done with the application of a sunscreen, and before starting with the makeup, I like to apply a lip balm. The one which I absolutely loves are from the brand Body Shop, and the one presently I'm using is strawberry one. I like these ones because they don't have petroleum jelly into it. I don't like that feel on my lips. That's the only reason me opting for this. This may be a little expensive for few people, but trust me, they last for a really long time, and all you need is a little bit. Yeah, so that's it for my day care. Let's just hop into my night skincare regime. So for my night skincare regime, I like to start obviously by removing my makeup. So once I'm done with my day, I like to remove my makeup with Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I swear by this product. I don't know how many bottles I have finished. The best thing about this is that it actually works on a very sensitive skin, which is mine, and I don't burst into acne because of it. It removes my makeup. The only thing is that I would like to tell you that in case you are a person who's using a waterproof mascara, then this won't work. You need a different makeup remover. Like what I like to do the days when I'm using a waterproof mascara is I use a Garnier oil infused micellar water. I remove my mascara and then I opt for this. I like to take 2 to 3 pumps. I like to massage it onto my face, and when I see like everything is dissolved, take this cloth which is basically from Miniso, and makeup remover cloth they call it, and I dip it into lukewarm water and clean my face. Voila, my makeup is gone. This is amazing. This is again an amazing product. You save a lot of money, like rather than buying a cotton pads, like, because initially when I used to use a cotton pad or even a wet wipes, I used to use like 3 to 4 wet wipes or 8 to 10 probably cotton pads, which was obviously not that economical. This is an amazing product. It is, like, I should say it's a revolutionary product because it saves a lot of money. So once I'm done with using Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, I like to use a face wash, and the one which I swear by is from Croatia Fash OS face wash for oily skin. The price of this one is 295. I've recently reviewed this product on my channel. I'll put the link in the description box. I swear by this product, guys, especially for oily and acne prone skin people. This is like a revolutionary product, I would say, and it suits me a lot. And this is the face wash, like this is the only face wash, I should say, which I like to use it in the night. Firstly, I like to take 1 pump, massage it and wash it with a cold or room temperature water. Then again I like to take 1 or 2 pump, massage it, take it like I like to massage it for a minute or 2, and then again I'll wash it with a cold water. So this is how I like to do it. Now let me tell you one thing which I have noticed is most of the people don't consider cleansing that important. I have seen that if they have just applied a makeup, they try to remove it with a wet wipe or a makeup remover, and then they don't wash their face. This is something which really bugs me up, because then these people come like, oh, you wear makeup every day and how come you don't burst into acne or something. Guys, cleansing is very important. Pay attention towards it. Even if you don't wear makeup, your outside pollution is actually, like, you know, pollution and dust is coming onto your skin, so you have to make sure that your skin is clean when you're going to bed. Please do it. You will see a drastic change into your skin. So cleansing is very important. Yeah. Now coming towards, like, once I'm done with the cleansing, I like to take Astringent again and cotton pad. I like to clean it. Now just to make sure if there is any kind of a makeup which is left, it is out of my skin basically. So I like to use Astringent. So once I'm done with toner, I like to use these pads, and these are acne pads, salicylic acid and glycolic acid pads, and the quantity of these are 50 pads. Now what I like to do is that once I'm done with the toner, I like to take like there are 50 pads, as I said previously. I like to take pads. I like to put one over here, wherever I'm seeing that acne is coming, and sometimes one on my forehead as well. I like to keep it over there for 5 to 10 minutes, let it get dry, and then I just throw it away. I don't wash my face. Remember that, I don't wash my face. Yes, I like to use a moisturizing lotion under my eye area. The only reason is that I don't have a dark circle. I sometimes feel that my under eye area gets dry, and a moisturizing lotion will serve the purpose, so I don't have to buy a separate eye cream. What I like to do is that I like to take a little amount onto my ring finger and massage it, and that serves the purpose. Basically, it will increase the blood circulation and serves the purpose, so you don't need a separate eye cream. And that's what only in the case if you have a dry under eye area, not in case if you have a dark circles, then you have to buy a separate cream. Yeah, and I forgot, like, sometime before applying this acne pads, I also like to use a vitamin C serum. I like to dab it onto my face, just a few drops, rub it and just dab it. And the reason is that it helps you with anti-aging. That's the only reason. And this one is from the brand Cipla vitamin C serum, and the price is 2050 rupees. Now coming towards the magical creams which I like to use. Now in the night, I don't use any particular cream for the whole face. I don't like to use any face cream or face moisturizer. I mean, like, on my entire face. I'm a person who likes to opt for my treatments, and all these treatments are either targeted towards acne or acne scars. I like to use these treatments, like, these are basically acids, and these all are recommended to me by dermatologists. So in case you are planning to buy them, please I request you to consult your dermatologist before buying them. Now the things which I like to use are glycolic acid, benzoyl peroxide and teretione gel. These all are targeted towards either acne or acne scars. I'll go through them one by one. Glycolic acid cream, this is 6%, and I have reviewed it. I have put a in-depth review about this product on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box in case you want to see it. This works amazingly in terms of acne as well as acne scars. So I like to use this. I like to shuffle in between, and then I like to use benzoyl peroxide on my entire face, as well as I like to put a dot where I'm seeing a new pimple is popping. And the days when I want my skin to peel, I like to use teretione gel. In case if I'm using glycolic acid 6% on Monday, I'll opt for benzoyl on Tuesday, and on Wednesday I'll opt for teretione, and then again I'll repeat the process. Sometimes it's more between benzoyl and glycolic, and I use teretione only when I want my skin to peel. When I see there's a scar and I really want to peel it, then only I use this cream, else I usually shuffle between these two. Yes, I have seen a drastic difference. These are medicated products, so you need a doctor consultation before buying them. That's it for my skincare regime. Obviously, I end my night with my lip balm, again from the brand Body Shop. That's it for my night skincare regime. Let's just talk about the products which I like to use in order to pamper my skin. Now let's just start with our skin pamper things, the things which I like to do in order to pamper my skin. And I'm a firm believer that the more you do, the better for your skin. Let it be sheet mask, face packs, uptan, massage gel. All these things I like to use when it comes to my skin, because I know it will show me a result. And before my recommendations of this, I would also like to share a secret that I like to shave my face. And it's no more a secret on YouTube that so many beauty vloggers are doing it to remove that fuzz. Initially I used to actually do face waxing, but since my skin has become extreme sensitive with passing years, it can't take it anymore, and it becomes extreme red, and sometimes I even get burn spots. So that's the thing which I've stopped using, and thanks to these razors which are easily available on Amazon as well as Miniso has it, I don't have to go for a waxing now, and it serves the purpose. In case you people are wondering you'll get a thick hair, no you won't. Trust me on that. You won't get it. You won't get beard and all those things. No you won't. You can just opt for this. In case you are afraid of facial wax, opt for this. And also I've seen a difference when you use a facial razor. The makeup actually blends very well, so that is also a reason of me using a facial razors. Yeah, that was a secret which I wanted to share with you guys, and I've done it. Now let's just talk about the sheet masks which I like to use. I love to use sheet mask, and let me tell you a story. When my wedding day was closer, it was almost a month that every single night I was using a sheet mask, and I have no shame in saying that because my skin was actually glowing on my wedding day and I didn't burst into a single acne on that face. So I was very glad that I took that step. Yeah, it was a little expensive on my pocket, but then I deserve it, right? Like, few of my favorite brands of sheet mask is Garnier, Garnier Serum Mask, the light one, I absolutely love. Then I love this one, Collagen Essence Mask. This is little expensive on Pocket and it's available at Noble or Wellness Chemist. Both the places have it, but it's expensive, which I absolutely agree, but serves a purpose. It's a gold sheet mask, which I absolutely love. Then there is this one, which I haven't used yet, but I'll be using it soon on my Instagram story. In case you're not following me, then do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, because I keep on sharing stories over there. So I'll be sharing my short review over there. And again, a dermal one, Garnier. And apart from this, I also love Forest Essentials sheet masks. They are amazing. You need to try them, especially in case if there is any special occasion. Go buy it and you'll see a difference. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you in terms of sheet mask is that once you have done with an application, you don't wash your face. You have to keep it that way. So in case in the night when I like to use, also, yeah, before I forget, I like to use a sheet mask in the night, and once I'm done with the sheet mask, then I like to opt for my treatment creams. Like, I apply this, I remove it, and then I apply my treatment creams over it. So that's how I like to do it. So apart from sheet mask, I also like to use face packs, and I like to use the ones which are clay based. As I said, I'm an acne or oily skin person. The very first one which I'm going to talk about today is from the brand Innisfree, and this one is their Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask 2 in 2, and the price of this one was 1000 or something. I'll just put it over here. Now this is an extreme face mask. If you have an oily skin or acne prone skin, you can actually see a difference after removing it. You feel that your skin is extreme mattified. So this is what I like to use when I'm bursting into acne. Now the cheaper alternative to this is a Multani Mitti, and this is what I get from my local grocery shop for 5 to 10 bucks. They give you a chunk, you just have to grind it up and you get this. And what I like to do is that I like to mix this with the rose water, and it serves the purpose. It is an extremely affordable product. This is for 10 bucks and this is for 1000. I can't compare, but they both serve the purpose and they both are amazing. And apart from this, I am also a person who likes to use Uptan, and this one is from the brand Forest Essential. I've reviewed it previously also. This one is the Saundarya Uptan. The price is 1075. Amazing product. In case you're going to be a bride soon, try this almost every single night before you get married for 30 days and your skin will glow on the day. Trust me, your skin will glow. Also, apart from using Uptan and face mask, I like to massage my skin, and there are so many facial massage gels available in the market. The one which I'm presently using and I really like it is from the brand Khadi, and this one is their herbal facial massage gel. And the gold one, the price was actually 175, which is very reasonable. I like to massage my skin like once in a week, especially on Saturdays. After a steam, I like to apply this onto my face and massage it for a while. There's a video on YouTube. I'll just share in the link in the description box, the link of that particular video where a female is actually guiding you how you should massage. That is very informative video. So I'll just put the link. And yeah, so I like to massage my skin at least once in a week. And Uptan, if I'm feeling I have a time, I won't even mind applying every day, but I don't have it, so like once in 2 to 3 days. And sheet mask again, like that way. Mostly on Saturdays I like to do these things because that's my holiday, and Sunday again I have a day, so night skincare regime can be extended a little bit more. So these are the products which I like to use when in my skincare routine. I know these are a lot, and I was a little fishy that whether I should make a video or not, but then people were asking for it and I was like, why not, let's just make a video. People should know what am I using. And I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then do thumbs up, and do thumbs up because I get to know that you like such videos and I should make such videos. My hot tool collection is coming soon because that's a request. I have seen that, so I am gonna do that. And do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links are there in the description box. At the last, I say, stay home, stay safe.